Come on. Alright, yes, Ira Star on top that one. And of course, no be bus stop they talk about, no be full stop, no be hyphen, no be apostrophe, but na comma. Yes, she can't put S, commas. Now the title of that song where she just drop give us. Welcome back from that very, very long break. And we apologize deeply say for our online community, at last we no can't do the Army Boy area because the local phone, they go need to call. So that they go fit share me with us. It come like say okay, the whole arrangement. They say okay, maybe we give them time for the technicians and the engineers guys. So when they sharply do the work
and they perform their wonders.
Exactly. So now why we fit come back. So our online community once again we deeply apologize
because now only they enjoy the music without talk. But the normal frequency connection they were not enjoying nothing. So the biggest apology goes to the normal frequency listeners.
They don't even hear anything at all.
Whenever we hear anything, we are very, 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 very sorry. Anyway, officially, if you check your time right now, 7 minutes of Wakaliv level AM. That's to say, time to reach for across the bridge. My name is Naran B.
My own name is Becca Blaze.
I will get the one and only
Lady JJ.
The Asampete one of Naija FM. Lady J. Beledo, sorry for your hand, though.
Hey, yeah, Lady J, sorry.
Sorry,
Becca, no just talk anything because you don't touch me.
Sorry.
But thanks all the same.
Off Becca was very excited to discover that Lady J has big fingers. You get big fingers. Not fingers.
No, be today.
Hand. Okay, you don't notice since. No, you just speak about them.
I just talk about them now, but I don't notice since.
Yeah. So Becca, I will go
but your
as
own
far.
finger still long past her own.
No, right? It's not long past.
Lady J own long past your own. What the?
No.
You know, bring the one where no.
When no swell.
No, where no swell. No, bring the one where no swell.
Now your own long past my.
I don't be Baba see, but yeah, Baba.
So I wish you would say Lady J and mine for see.
Yeah, you get.
Some concern be man.
But it's in the interesting thing, and I say as a woman, your finger also dictates how valuable your who is.
Your bulletproof.
Hey God,
my bulletproof. God,
I beg.
No.
Because see, if not my finger see.
No. Now your fingers mean something else. You get so as your fingers small now, it shows say it's small for there, so you go tight.
R&B.
You go tight. But Lady J now see big now, you know Mozo did there.
Hey.
Mozo.
Hey.
One of the shots now. Let me explain. Mozo did there.
Mozo.
Yes.
So my own no get Mozo.
Your own it tight. Oh, walu fuen. Lady na fuku. You see your life.
Oh my God! You don't be roundabout na fuku.
It get mozo. You know say something get mozo.
Hey,
before
God.
you first guy open the mozo.
Hey, what radio day? Thank you a lot.
Congratulations. Big shout out to all the radio presenters. We are trying to.
Not be
small job we they do. You get me. We are doing well.
And NBC too. They give us shout outs.
Yes, so they give us shout out too.
Give
shout out to NBC.
Yes,
So
give us shout out.
We be their customer now. They listen to us well. They are our fans. Big shout out to everybody in NBC office that listen to radio, especially you where they are sent to Naija FM. I love you guys. I love you, Mama. I don't need that man or woman. I love you. I don't love you. Anytime I see you, I go buy you cold cheap beer.
So,
believe me.
Hopefully, if you drink beer, but
yes.
if they drink beer, we buy you cold mineral
or juice. Or
now people
non-alcoholic wine.
They not be like you, Lady J. Not be everybody.
No, now did she talk? She say if you know they drink beer, you go take cold mineral or juice.
Hey God, another disturbance of Megalet is just come. Lady J, there are 3 people for this building.
Who be who and who?
3 people.
Who them
but
be?
for the morning section, when we come to evening, your lover is the first person for the evening. Your lover will just come back from his leave. But for money, the number 1 person where I go pick.
Who be my lover? Before people go on the thing.
OTB now.
OTB no be my lover.
And then, but now who will give you as your lover?
Now your number 1, just know based on other people's perspective. OTB 1, number 2
evening.
For evening.
No,
yes.
No, but not even not be my not be our points now. The money now. Number 1. R&B.
Number 2.
Fumbi. This young man yellow.
Fumbi.
Hey.
So Fumbi and Lady J relationship be like undisclosed relationship.
They get relationship.
Yeah, they did.
Hey.
Oh, wow.
Oh God.
I'm just sharing this for the first time.
And you know say why they undisclosed? Because Lady J low key the lie men with BS.
Oh,
yes, that is one of the attraction. Fumi be like lion.
You don't know my spec. Oh, no, my
no,
spec.
now what? You know they disclose them, but Fumi na your spec.
Fumi no be my spec.
Not be just like men when get flesh for body. You can never batter in Nigeria without collecting back.
You can't shame the shameless.
And you know that person where people know they put eyes on top. OC. Hey God, number 3 disturbance.
OC they
in
worry.
This company.
OC they worry.
OC na number 3.
OC they play both. OC say okay, so Fumbi not they play homophobic physically, but they play. If you see rough play when Fumbi they play me online with Instagram. Very extreme homophobic play at the time. So if we be send terrorists, give me 9 are homophobic. As he send instantly, and they go look for my own. I look for. Or pack and give me again. Me before I say Jack, you don't send give me again.
You don't send the Robinson.
Yes, but also know they do online na physical.
Na physical.
Also go see you they tap your butt.
I feel like I don't understand. I don't understand. OC. You come R&B. They do that Pluto dance for Charlie Poppy for Beat FM. Oh yeah, ping. Before we know, what you don't carry one leg up, enter R&B. I say show. Which guy wahala be this?
But also,
wait, oh, he never finished with. You know, say come meet me for year 2. He say he wish say na Becca Bliss they do that dance with. Before you know, don't put hand for my waist. He said, "Na this waist is supposed to do that."
Now you supposed to enter.
I'm like, what is this?
Hey. Wow.
So that the fun part of working in radio be that you get so
Madhouse
is actually, you know, before I joined radio I don't hear say radio is a madhouse. I don't really understand, so I call you know, as more people I say okay, I've been a mad people now they work for there
mad people
until I actually join radio I realize everybody they crazy for
everybody
there. You cannot be normal and you go dey function well for radio.
Sometimes
our interns normal, yes.
I dey fear for interns when they don't come collect from the madness because
no some of them I think for the first 1 week when they go come they go say what did they happen here? Then maybe after like 1 or 2 weeks
I remember when I go intern for the first station where I intern when I see the jobs and when they talk to us intern they can't say make we not see this place as gold mine no say even devil there now the address now what they give us and of course I experienced that whole matter.
I remember when I was the intern for Classic FM that time I just noticed say all the men the full staff as they come as they say good morning all of them they come inside one by one.
They follow you enter.
No,
they walk up greeting.
No, as they sit down, say okay, good morning. As they drop my bag, they go enter one by one. Like say they can't see their fellow.
You they can't see.
Now you can't look.
So one of the aunties there, what they call Tipuki HQ, she can't call me one day. She said, "Don't think that these people are here for us. They are here for you." Only that's how they do.
Mama don't realize that they use her as a prostitute.
Exactly, that's how they do. When they see a new girl, they will pretend like they want to come and see you. It's a lie.
They are not saying me, it's you they are seeing.
You know, like the same. We almost get the same experience. But in my own case, when I say I get potential, come and see me in my office. I not be.
Wait. What do you mean? They say you get potential?
Potential as a presenter, as a broadcaster.
Okay, another potential. They think.
No, but when they see say she get very good voice, so she get potential. Come and see me, man. And all the people they say come and see me. Come and see me in my office.
It's just a good voice.
No, seriously. At that time,
Fumbi they think something else.
Nothing. I did very.
Not be that potential.
I be size 10 to 12
you know
that
me
time.
Size 10, 12.
I did very. I go show you some of my old pictures.
I be size 10, 12 too now.
So you not be like this right from time. No. You just expand over time.
It never to table. I just.
What do you chop?
I don't know.
Serious.
I will show you my old pictures now. So
I just say that until woman born she dey expand.
No.
So if you expand at anything.
Especially if your genetics, you know, for your family, they on the
okay, you go meet up with you.
So everybody come and see me in my office, and all of them no be just normal like a OAP like you.
Men.
Head of a department.
Okay.
Director of
they see a lot of potential for your
engineering,
body.
Head of news, even the GM self. I'm serious.
You hot to you not use your rain well.
DJ.
You not use your tenure well.
No, I don't fit do that kind of parole now.
No, which kind of parole?
You be Metro, Abi.
You look like Metro too much.
You look like Metro too much.
What do you mean Metro?
No, now okay, no go. In a long story, Metro na producer for Obodo Yibo. When somebody talks, say he resemble one guy, when he resemble one, like a long story, more you live like that.
Okay.
So Valentine is tomorrow. I just have some few advice. Please, if they not buy gift for you, no verse. Yes.
So indirectly now, the people where they go pick, you know they tell them.
all of us understand what it happen for this country right now.
The country is not a joke.
Yes, if they not buy gift for you, and if you afford to buy gift for person, take am. But if you not say afford to buy gift for person, not
write
kill
your
yourself.
Note. They don't say write your note.
Write your love note. There is always another Valentine.
Yeah.
Next year Valentine good day. The upper year Valentine good day. Papa God will keep us alive. Because all of us know what it happen for this country right now. So not use tomorrow as an opportunity to take cause havoc for your relationship or your marriage. Under this guy say he did not get me something or she did not get me something. And also as a lady too, I know say some of them don't they pressure on her boyfriend already right now. What do you want to get from him? What do you want to get from him? And guess what? People when they ask what do you want to get from me now, they don't get anything for the same person.
No, maybe not just singlet and boxer they won't buy.
That one even see they try. So the people when they share say, what are you getting for me? They know they get plan to get something for the person who want to give them something. So please, if you are one of those persons right now, stop asking that question if you not get plan to take buy something for a person. Please. The country is hard. Don't pressure anybody.
Don't pressure me.
Please.
Don't pressure me.
It's part of bullying too.
All right, so I'll talk that across the bridge now. We go hammer about a lot of things, so the advantages and the good benefits then we say radio don't do for us. Even before we come on radio too, I believe say we don't listen to radio even before we became radio presenters. So we go to share our own experiences. Then for this year, the United Nations they don't say this year theme na a century informing, entertaining, and educating. And of course, now waiting Naija FM 102.7 stands for. We always talk say we be a headquarter of GIG, the groove, the information, the gist, the education, the vibe, the music, the sport, the drama, the fight.
The
fight. You know what I am talking about. And the two of them, although you don't taste it, they give us the.
No, we are in a good union right now.
They are not saying anything.
What do you want me to say?
To your fellow.
My fellow
Russia and Ukraine.
I've been very helpful to her, so she had no reason to trigger my.
So Ukraine, you.
Well, R&B, thank you for everything. The good, the bad, the ugly. Thank you.
But you never see the bad and the ugly for a while now. So just say thank you for the good. Since the beginning of this year and last quarter, I have been very good to you. Yes, I've been very good to you.
Who talk to you? Who talk to you? Where make you good now? Tell me the truth.
All right. So,
R&B.
They say the federal maybe leave R&B for now. They will come back to R&B later. So they say the federal government now say they don't pledge their commitment. Say they go even expand the community radio as a tool to take strengthen the democracy of the nation. So they are the Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, now in talk during one commemoration today na Tuesday, right? So maybe just share our experiences. You know, the way we say radio don't even touch our lives, or somehow through radio, through this platform. You know, we say we don't touch people's life as well.
We don't touch people's life, we don't touch our life too. Yeah. I think I always talk the first time I ever come on radio for 2010 December, yes, 2011 January. First person when he called me was I think till now we see the young. Guess what? I never meet that guy face to face.
Wow.
Once in a while. Wow. Either he messaged me for WhatsApp or he called me. Even when I moved from Benin go Ibadan from Benin go, they call me. I fit listen to you. I say no, we not there online. They until come there online. So they always call me. Even when I see go Ibadan, I see meet somebody similar like that. Wale good. First time ever we just become friends and we always talk. Anyway, we get to meet several occasions. Then even when I say call Naija FM, the first person when I also call Authentic Venom. You get me.
Yeah.
Plus plenty other I just talk about the first set of people at every radio station where I don't work and different location when they don't
call you.
When they don't become family. Because even last week, because I think you messaged me, hey Alpha, I don't born. He said he don't born because he tell me when he married, when he born the first pikin, I think the second pikin right now. You get me? Yeah, my wife don't born again. I say hey, congratulations. Hey, how you dey be? I know say you know if he come, well, you're young, you get. So somehow radio don't make me dey closer to people. Way in my life, I don't feel say I go ever dey closer to
you. You know the thing with I don't want to use the word irony. No. The thing that say radio don't evolve. The time where I start no, nothing like social media.
Yeah.
At all. Nothing like social media. So even if callers, listeners calling, na landline then go call. You know that kind of matter. So you know get the opportunity to meet your listeners.
Except
like that.
they play come. No, that time they play come office. So
unless the event day, we go require people to come around.
I remember when one man waka come Aduawa. I just they finish my program from Rose FM that time. They say somebody they look for you. Me say hey, I don't talk. You know, say when you be newbie, you go they fear up and down. Wait till I do now. Now in my head of program, Mr. Christopher Omo say okay, enter programming department. He show me one man. One man look me from up. He said no. No, he said no. I mean the guy that just finished his program right now.
I can imagine.
Mr. Christopher said that's him now. That's it. He said no. The man I just finished with the big voice. So only me you they look like. Okay, I never understand what you until I go say organ me say hey, small picking are you? Now you get that big boy. He said I was expecting someone big, someone heavy. So now waiting radio also they unique about radio. So you listen to people, then you draw an image of them based on the voice when you hear. But guess what? Most time the voice and the body.
You know, we like to get some similar experience. But now, when I play where I'd been a work before. I come to the University of Lagos. So you get this show where they call old school boogie. So they play old school music, and so being saying stay in the heart of the University of Lagos, and they get I'm not gonna say they get lecturers, even professors. They always come say, please that presenter on air. We want to say. I get one time we say, you get the way they structure the studio. You feed day for reception. You they hear waiting. You they play because you don't already arrange your music. So I did the reception. I just sit down. My mama enter. He said, please, I want to see the presenter on air that is playing this old school music. And that person said, she's the one now. Then look me. He said, you are the one.
Believe,
I was expecting a very old person. He said, your music mind is too matured. Yeah. Because I they play some of these series. Get one particular where I do movie themes. That I say all these old movies, the music
where they're using.
So some people come to the chat say they never hear that song in a long time.
So you assume say you be old person for you to get that kind of knowledge.
You know. So I experienced that one too, and somehow he humbled me to know say okay, you don't need to be old to know certain things.
You
know.
So kind of like I think radio, there's everybody when don't jam radio or get to do work for radio, it they help expand your knowledge.
Exactly.
The knowledge where I get for Nigeria politics, this and that. Some certain things when not even concern me. Say, well, I'll go the research. Now because say I didn't already because I just want to try know this, know that, know a little bit about everything. That because I did work for radio. So when somebody asks me a question, I know they say, you get. So I think radio also give you an opportunity to be an encyclopedia.
And then I say you go school yourself.
Okay. Yeah, you go school yourself.
You guys school yourself. You guys do a lot of research.
You ask this question, never talk your own.
Yes, my own. No, but I don't know. Say people they do give away. People they win give away on radio.
Until you start to do. You visit and waiting.
Now just it's okay. You don't listen to radio and the rest of them. Now until I call they grow up. Yeah. When we were small, I don't know say now that kind give away.
Maybe.
Where people go need to enter motor. Go collect. I think so. Can probably maybe just recharge card. They just send them a recharge card, so you don't need to come over to the radio station. So now later, come they say, in fact, the reason why some of people they listen to radio now because of the fact that they go see giveaway.
Collect.
Check our Independence Day, for example.
The numbers when they listen.
Anniversary.
Anniversary
days. So for example,
people will never hear their voice.
The people you never know, you never hear their voice before. Now you go just they say, these people,
they give away now.
You never call before they could say, hey, because no be give away time. So
we experience them a lot in December.
Yes.
Because aside from artists they come visit and then they go drop something for individually. I do small giveaway.
Yeah. They go ginger up. So
I never finish. Another thing I like about radio, now the fact is some people, the moment they hear your voice, especially if you person when don't get radio voice, now the same voice they use for life. Somebody like R&B. You don't tell me so many times say go somewhere. The moment you open your mouth talk, you don't know say na him.
What till they pay me pass? They'll say, hey, R&B, how Becca now? How Becca this? I'll be like, hello, you they see me, not ask me if I'm fine. Which of the Becca? Don't ask me about Becca. The thing they best me always. I did hospital last time. As I also say, give me the receipt where I pay money for. You guys look at me. R&B.
Yeah.
How is Becca now? I don't know the guy. If to say no, we say you dey far from there.
So that's another interesting thing about radio. I also remember one time maybe say I won't come office. I think during the Christmas New Year celebration. I told you then R&B. I told him. I said that day I dey wait. Say I'll go see right, but eventually I no see right where the money. You know,
they me. Okay,
so I can't wait
economist.
For. Now you sabi. I can't wait for the next day. So when I now wait for the next day, I now put a certain amount for one of those e-hailing taxi this thing. So the amount where I put, I don't see 8,000, 8,000. I put, I think 4,001 or something. You can't get one person where can send a request say to me say go carry me instead. And he won't carry me for that 4,001.
Only you shock.
I was not shocked. Say other people don't want even carry me for that price. Immediately the person call me say Auntie Becca please.
He don't already know say na you.
I was like what? He said we dey hear your radio. We dey hear you.
So radio they also come with some preferential treatment.
You don't want to know how many Bolts Ubers I don't enter, and the moment I sit down they just recognize.
No, say
one particular one, the driver just dey smile. I go tell this one and go say no problem. He just dey smile. By himself, he tuned to Naija FM.
So now you go talk.
When we come reach where we dey go, he say don't worry, I don't pay. I know you're Lady J.
Big shout out to all radio hosts, all AP, because some of us when they work for radio now, we started as a fan. I remember early 2000 that time when I go dey call radio, the Don General. I'll not be called when they flash. I said, you pick my call. I said, you're 0.1%. I don't contact. Bam! He goes, say, who they call me like this? Don't call this number again. I'll call him. It was fun for me. You guys sometimes just say hello just to hear my voice on radio.
Yes,
I'm talking about
that
like
a lot.
Yes.
We do that a lot.
Heavily for radio. Down the one now because that's a card they cost kind of like if you look at you get about 2003, 2004, card they call. I call my uncle Nokia Torchlight, that heavy phone. Don't die. Hello, because I don't want my uncle to say recharge card don't low. You get
another thing about radio, Lady J, where I love now the fact say you as a presenter, your emotion fit affect the people where they listen.
Exactly.
Sure.
Now one of the things I like about radio, there was one day where I know they feel fine. I don't even know say they show for my voice.
You go show.
I don't know say they show for my voice rather. So one of our presenters now sent me a message that Becca, it's like you're not in good mood today. Like, is anything bad happen? And I said, how come? They see me. How come they listen to something happened to me?
No, when you don't listen to someone over time, if something they wrong, you feel
you certainly know.
You say, and another thing I want to say, big shout out to a lot of OAPs. They deal with a lot.
And you need to
but
put everything
go still come
inside.
on air. They do like say everything is
fine.
Everything they okay.
Some of us never pay us, but they give you hope.
And the people too, when we say they do bets 100,000 naira as you go, I don't even know. I don't know until talk and later say he complains bet 100K. The small money people buy tickets. Now they shout every time for phone.
I wanted to flip the money. Hello, I wanted to flip the money.
You want flip the money? You don't do that flip cash before.
I wish I win that 600. I should be able to buy breakfast for you since. I could not do giveaway because I made the promise to give 100K out of the 600K when I supposed to win. But luckily for me, Super Eagle. It's just the reason why we invest for people. The people who get personal vendetta pass, they push on top. It will be people like us will bet because they cut our tickets. That reminds me, public apology right now to Iwobi. So sorry on behalf of thousands or if not even millions of Nigeria who don't kind of like go extreme. You on top this whole banter of say you join the reason why we not win. We are very, 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 very sorry. But I believe say some of us understand this football matter be. There are some people who don't stab each other because of football argument. More not even go to Ronaldo and Messi. See, it won't be on a small one. You see, you know what he made they do for Ronaldo matter. Ronaldo will not know you when not be your countryman. Messi will not be your countryman. So that is football. Sometimes I often say this one we take an extreme because in our countryman we just expect to say okay, we don't say they feel we're supposed to support them. But that one not be say we not say express ourselves. But I think the expression of ourselves went too far. So we are sorry. It will be, and I hope say your mental state that you go see a therapist because like say you not do alright. I start saying they talk to minister of
say don't take a social media.
Take on all of us don't, at a point in our life we don't take on. I see Shege for Ozo fans.
But you know, say no matter how much Shege you don't see. You never see Shege reach the first president. Sorry, the first citizen of this country.
Even with President Tinubu, he talk and he say he said they wanted to finish me. I will just go to TikTok, they are killing me. I will go to Instagram, they are not on social media anymore.
Especially that a town hall different from power blue. Now that one, that people use against them.
First citizen of the country rock up on social media.
I'm telling you.
Then you went before.
So you can't complain.
Who am I?
And then before we go, Lady Day, somebody say, may we ask you waiting you go, what making give you for vow?
Oh my God.
So now one of our listeners. So now Lady J is saying you
now. We talk before you
send me a lot. Send me something. He said, what do I want?
Now gift, not collect money. Now gift.
Which gift?
Now gift.
What gift?
Yes, gift.
Phone.
Come carry gun. Come carry gun. Where my gun? Give her gun, make carry. I don't understand. No, you don't know the situation of the country.
Okay, fine. Okay, just buy me good lunch. That's all. I know they fear.
Okay. Bye. We dey go.
Bye.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Tomorrow.
You where they hear me so? Should you dey on top social media and you never dey follow Naija FM? Why now? Oh yeah, follow us now at Naija 102 FM.